This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Reese. Move-in ready home, open floor plan, vaulted ceilings and spacious family and living rooms. Roof 2006, Hurricane windows 2022, Hurricane garage door 2019, new vinyl fence 2019, new AC 2017, pool RESURRFACED West/Diamond Bright 2016 and BABYGATE. Beautiful kitchen with marble backsplash and granite counters. Convenient location to shopping, restaurants, and local stores for all your needs. All A-rated schools. White sandy beaches and downtown Boca Raton or DELRAY Beach, a short ride with easy access to major highways. Low HOA fee. Don't let this one get away. All measurements are approximate, subject to error, omission. Buyer to verify all information. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Reese at 561-981-9400.